Good morning, friends. Today's discussion is about the presumptive taxation module for professionals under Section 44 ADA of the Income Tax Act. Presumptive means this is a particular section in which the Income Tax Department, vide 44 ADA, offers a professional to presume that out of the total gross turnover, you assume that 50% is your profits and offer it for taxation. मतलब आप assume कर रहे हैं, you are presuming, आप presume कर रहे हैं. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन उन प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए एप्लीकेबल है जिनका टर्नओवर 50 लाख रुपए से कम है सालाना. एप्लीकेबल टू दोज स्पेसिफाइड प्रोफेशनल्स whose turnover is less than 50 lakhs per annum. More than 50 lakhs turnover for professionals, you are under compulsory tax audit under section 44 AB. तो ये डिस्कशन टैक्स ऑडिट का नहीं है, ये प्रिजम्पटिव टैक्स रेट का assumption है, डिस्कशन है. नाउ इफ योर gross turnover is less than 50 lakhs, then as per section 44 ADA, and if you are a professional, specified professional, then you may offer 50% of the gross turnover as your net profit and it will be taxed accordingly. Now this is one part. If your turnover is less than 50 lakhs and you do not want to offer 50% as your net profit, you can show it below 50% of your turnover, that is your net profits below 50% of your gross turnover. In such case, you will have to get your books of accounts audited from a chartered accountant and submit the audit report online and file tax returns accordingly after paying the due amount of income tax. There is a lot of confusion as to whom is this section beneficial or applicable. This section can be taken benefit of by a resident individual or a resident partnership firm, not a LLP. The benefit of this section is not available to a limited liability partnership firm. बहुत सारे लोग गलत फहमी में गलत ITR भर देते प्रिजम्पटिव में, फिर स्क्रूटिनी आता है, फिर सोचते इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट मेरे पीछे क्यों लगा है. So it is applicable to resident individual and resident partnership firms but not to LLPs. प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को तो है ही नहीं, LLPs को भी applicable नहीं है. Which means अगर आप रेसिडेंट नहीं है, आप HUF है या आप LLP है, तो ये सेक्शन का बेनिफिट आप नहीं ले सकते हैं. Now what is a specified professional? What is a specified professional? Again, there is a confusion and wrong ITRs are filed by ineligible professionals. Eligible specified professional covers doctors, engineers, technical person, chartered accountants, advocates, company secretaries, practicing cost accountants, to certain section of people working as professionals in the film industry and IT professionals. It is not applicable to freelance journalists, freelance people. It is not applicable to LIC or insurance advisors. यहाँ पे गलत हो जाता है, इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर्स फाइल कर देते हैं प्रिजम्पटिव रेट में, उनके लिए कोई अलग मॉड्यूल है, हम लोग बाद में डिस्कशन करेंगे अलग वीडियो में. सो इट इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू दीज पीपल, इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू स्पेसिफाइड. वन मोर critical aspect in this is if you have retired from your service from a particular company and you are still working as a retainer, as a technical person, करते हैं बहुत जन काम, still you are not eligible for taking benefit of this section unless and until you are a qualified professional. That is, आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और रिटायर हो गए हैं और आप ये डिग्री के तहत प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो आप बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं, नहीं तो बेनिफिट नहीं ले सकते। अब इनकम का क्वांटम क्या सिर्फ 50% ही प्रॉफिट ऑफर करना चाहिए? नहीं, 50% इज द बेंचमार्क फॉर अवेलिंग द बेनिफिट। आपका प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज 60-70% भी हो सकता है, 80% भी हो सकता है, डिपेंड ऑन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशन यू आर इन एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्रैक्टिस यू आर इंडल्जिंग इनटू। दैट इज, खर्चे ज्यादा नहीं है, ऑनलाइन है, बट यू आर अर्निंग 40-45 lakhs एनुअल ग्रॉस टर्नओवर। नाउ coming to this aspect, in case you have declared 50% profit and it is found out from your books of accounts that, and your bank statement mainly, that such eligible profit percentage was 75%, which should have been declared and offered for tax, then department will impose section 69A of unexplained credit and tax it at 60% plus 25% surcharge plus 4% cess and 6 to 10% penalty. You will end up paying 85% of your income as taxes. So don't do this, plan it accordingly. It is a very good section for professionals. After this speech, there is a detailed presentation, particular section wise, wherein you can see how this section works and for which class of professional. Enjoy viewing, subscribe to my video, like the video and forward this. This is a very informative video and a presentation which is going to follow after this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.